Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. If you're looking for an F-150, this might be the one. This is the 2014 F-150. Stock number on this vehicle is T20417A. Let's take a virtual video walk around, show you this truck up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Nice Raptor edition, as you can see. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection with four-wheel disc brakes, 4x4 four-wheel drive. On a virtual video walk around, we're going to show you the interior of this vehicle as well as the exterior. Take notice of the ample legroom, as you can see. Nice and roomy for friends and family that might be traveling with you. Leather interior, of course. Truck has just over 50,000 miles, so super low miles. And we're going to take a look on the front cab. Super comfortable ride. Low miles, easy access to all your controls within arm's length. Nice, comfortable, safe ride. And you know she's not going to last long. For more information on this F-150 or any others in our inventory, give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.